Hello, and welcome to MetaDock. In this tutorial we will be learning about workspaces. Workspaces are a key component of MetaDock and enable you to load, create and change between window layout presets with ease. For example, you can have a workspace for crypto trades, a workspace for your social messaging, and a workspace for stocks. The possibilities are endless and completely up to you to decide. Now let's look how to configure a workspace. To create a new workspace, first navigate up to the Workspace tab and select the box positioned to the left. Once selected, a new window will appear. Type in the name for your new workspace and press Add. You can now close this window or continue adding more workspaces if you wish. The workspace you have just created can now be found in the Workspace tab. Selecting your new workspace from the drop-down tab will open the new workspace. You can now search for the websites you would like to populate this new workspace with, customizing the windows as you wish. Having numerous workspaces configured for different reasons is a great way to diversify your computer usage quickly and efficiently. Some quick points about workspaces. Having Autosave mode checked on will save the changes you make to a workspace. Unchecking Autosave mode will not save any changes made. This includes websites opened or closed, and any changes to window positions. You can only have one workspace loaded per instance of MetaDock. This includes if you are using Multimonitor mode. Multimonitor mode, regardless of how many screens you might be using, is still one instance of MetaDock. For example, my stock trading workspace will be the workspace used on all of my monitors in multi-monitor mode. I can still change and customize the windows on each monitor separately, but I can't change the workspace on my secondary monitors away from the stock trading workspace. You can also choose which workspace is your default startup workspace by selecting the Set Startup Workspace from the drop-down menu. The next time you start MetaDock, your selected workspace will be the first to open. To delete a workspace, navigate to the Manage Workspaces icon. Select the workspace you would like to delete and press Remove. If eventually you decide would like to reset your preset workspaces, simply select Install Workspace Presets to reset MetaDock with its original workspaces. MetaDock, the app you didn't know you needed.